You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is n smaller than negative 25.3. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Combine like terms. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 34 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is n smaller than negative 25.3.